Hermes, draw near, and to my prayer incline. Angel of Jove and Maia's son divine, prefect of contest, ruler of mankind, with heart almighty and a prudent mind, celestial messenger, of various skill, whose powerful arts could watchful Argus kill. With winged feet 'tis thine through air to course, O friend of man, and prophet of discourse, great life supporter, to rejoice is thine, in arts gymnastic and in fraud divine, with power endued, all language to explain, of care, the loosener and the source of gain, whose hand contains of blameless peace the rod, Carushan, blessed, profitable God, of various speech whose aid in works we find, and in necessities to mortals kind. Dire weapon of the tongue which men revere, be present, Hermes, and thy suppliant hear. Assist my works, conclude my life with peace, give graceful speech, and memories increase.